This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Thursday, March 28th. I'm Marche Bird. On Tuesday, we had a pretty busy schedule with the tennis, baseball, and soccer teams. The boys and girls soccer teams picked up an identical 2-1 victories over Tallwood. On Wednesday, the baseball team, ranked number 1 in the area, beat Wilson 17-8. Joseph Califano picked up the win as Trey Kills had 3 hits and drove in 2 runs. The softball team dropped a close one to the Presidents 8-7. The tennis team scored a close 5-4 win against Norfolk Christian. Finally, the boys soccer team crushed Norcom 14-0. Now here's Jalen in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Marche. Today, boys and girls tennis takes on First Colonial at 3 p.m. Boys play at First Colonial and girls play here at Maury. Softball takes on Cox High School at Cox. Tomorrow, baseball and softball take on IC Norcom here at Maury. Both games will start at 4. Also tomorrow, the JV baseball team will take on Nansman Suffolk Academy at NSA. Now back to you, Marche.
Thanks, Jalen. Now hear what's happening at MHS. That's all for Thursday's Commodore News. I'm Marche Bird. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.